Airless Light has only one switch button. Airless has multiple touch buttons. We start to mix resin. Stirring resin will produce a lot of bubbles. We need to cover the pressure relief valve tightly. Just press the power button to turn on. We pay attention to not let the resin in the cup overflow. The bubble was easily drawn out. Press the start button again to turn off. Open the pressure relief valve. The foaming effect is very obvious before and after. Let's make a coaster decorated with random lines. Click the switch to start the hot air heating. After waiting for 2 hours, the resin has cured well. Let's prepare the resin for the second layer. Prepare resin for the second layer. Use Airless to remove bubbles from resin. Cover the pressure relief valve. Press the power button to turn on. Select mode. We can choose 5 minutes or 9 minutes. We choose 9 minutes, and it will automatically run after 2 seconds. The display shows the remaining time and the current vacuum level. The highest vacuum degree is 95 Kelvin. Airless will automatically shut down when the time is up. After vacuuming, there are very few bubbles in the resin. Pour the second layer of resin into the resin coaster. The resin coaster made after defoaming has high transparency and is very smooth. Thank you for watching. You can do better than me.